this out. I finally got a Outlaw Leather hood. It is a nice hood. Got my Lincoln Electric variable shade 8 to 13 lens inside it. It is one of the best lenses I've ever used, and I of course got to have my flashlight on the front, see what everything. But yeah, Outlaw Leather, man, they have some nice hoods, and this I like this black and brown one. I've been wanting one for quite a while. Good quality cuts they've done on this helmet. Anyway, highly recommend it. It's a fiber metal helmet, and they've just modified it with the leather. So anyway, nice job, Outlaw Leather, and I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time, and finally just got one in the mail here. So just wanted to give Outlaw Leather a shout out, and awesome hood. Thank you so much.